Okay, this is the Greatstockpix.com Friday wrap-up here from September 17th. Just a few highlights to share with you today. I was a little tentative with it being options expiration. Market was flat most of the day, but we did have some nice calls here. This one is EAT. We called this within 5 minutes of the low. Called it on a break of this candle's high as a long. Right there. Worst case stop right there. 1742 entry, worst case stop 17 cents below. It's one of those that didn't really matter. About 10 minutes in, could have gone to a break-even stop. It held all day and then just started scaling out. It did move 57 cents in our favor, and again the 17 cents a share risk really was only in play for maybe a few minutes before it started to head in our direction. So a nice one there. Much nicer was Asia. Let me show you the chart real quick. The daily. Asia has just been getting killed, but slowly but surely, and then today had a nice gap up. 15-minute candles, you can kind of see the gap up a little better. You know, it gapped up above a lot of stuff here, minus that spike yesterday. Okay, with that chart in mind, here's the gap up. Here's the call on Asia was 1645. This tight little base here gave us a great opportunity. Anytime we have a base with the high of day just to the left, and we know we've got a gap up on a stock that's crunched, so you got a few things going for you here. So the call was a break of the base to the upside and a worst case stop below the base. The theory is, okay, the gap up held. Now you've got a couple hours of battle between the bulls and the bears, kind of like SVNT from the other day. A base break to the upside, good chance it gets us through the high of the day, and then good chance we get some short covering. So everything worked out. 1645 was the trigger. The worst case stop, 1635, a dime below. Never got hit. And from 1645, this thing made it all the way to 1760 for $1.15 in our favor on 10 cents risk that never got hit. And one other highlight from today, PDE. This thing opened up strong. You can see the gap up. I'll show you the daily real quick. Zoom out a little bit. Nice long base here with room to the left, and it was breaking above that base on the daily, so we saw that too, and it was strong early. I didn't want to just chase it, so what we did was call it as a long. We have several different kinds of plays. This isn't the kind that we highlight often with where we caught it within 5 minutes of the low, or this is a little different setup, but we called it long right there. Line in the sand stop right there. So the long idea was 27.34, worst case stop 26 cents below. And this took about 15 or 20 minutes to really get going, but ended up making it to 28.20 for a 86 cent a share move in our favor. And again, after about 15 minutes, we never had to look back and worry about the stop. So had some other stuff today too. We are going to send out a free pick this weekend. I've got a great setup, a great looking daily chart, one of those kind of lower price stocks that has a potential to give a big move. So look for that this weekend. And I'm going to wrap it up, but another good day, and we'll talk to you guys. We'll send out a highlight video Monday night, but again, look for a free pick if you're on our free pick list that is come out Sunday night. Have a good weekend.